Alright, 2-box break, 2014 Panini draft picks. Going out to Crush City Collector / Mr. Spain. Happy to be breaking something. Oh, what am I doing? I had a half day today at work because of the holiday weekend, so I'm glad you decided to do that credit. We can party on with the break. Yeah, I still don't like how they did these boxes, though. These little corners, they have 4 things. Well, I'm sure you've broken a box yourself, but it makes it awkward to get the packs out. So that other guy, baseball card dealer, that was in the break with you, what was it, the Diamond Kings break, I think it was? I gave him a free pack of Panini draft picks just because I had a couple of packs, and he got an auto in it. So that's pretty cool. I can't read who it is. Marcus Wilson, I think? The picture's super blurry. That's awesome! Alright, first pack. What a guy. Trey Suppick, Jared Robinson, base cards. And you got one Prism. Let's go with the base Connor Joe, base Jack Flaherty, and a red Prism / refractor, I guess red Prism, of Cy Sneed, numbered to 100, 76 out of 100. Pack number 2. I broke that Upper Deck SPX Hockey 2011-12. There was 2 rookie autos in there and 3 other relic hits. And on the box it said 2 hits. So I think I got a hot box, or maybe I just totally misunderstand the product. Okay, Matt Morgan, Logan Moon, base cards, and the refractor. You got Derek Hill, Detroit, Miners Gold. Insert refractor. Then Alex Blandino, Cole Tucker base cards. Pack number 3. The name size awesome. It's a baseball name. As you can see, I have a very specific way of opening packs. It's the way I feel does the least amount of damage to the cards. I'm slightly obsessive that way. Jordan Luplow, Devi Gruyan, blue refractor, Prism, Michael Kopech, Foster Griffin, and the blue Prism, number 2, 199, Austin Casino. What's up, cousin? Number 4. I'm hoping, I know some of the cases I gave you were oversized. I'm sure you realize that, though, so make sure you get them in the right ones. These are going to be in the right size hard cases. I was just low at the time. But I packed them well enough, shouldn't have been a problem. James Norwood, Luke Dykstra, Derek Hill, Eric Fed, and another blue Prism refractor, number to 199, Jake Stinnett. If you know how to upload videos to YouTube from Ustream, feel free to let me know. I don't know if you have to pay for the membership or whatever, but I'm on the basic, and when I click upload to YouTube, it never works. And then I go to my YouTube, and it just says, like, video failed. Alright, cool. As long as you have them for those. TJ Anton, Rusney Castillo base cards, Scott Blewett base. Cody Medeiros base card, and the first hit on a relatively low numbered red prism on card autograph of Max Pentecost, numbered 43 out of 100. Mr. Max Pentecost of the Toronto Baseball Club. Pentecost good? I don't know. I don't know much about him. I used to know a ton about everybody's minor league system, but you get out of it for a little bit and you lose it. You lose it, man. Wyatt Strahan base, Dariel Alvarez, Nelson Gomez, and it looks like back-to-back hits. Yep. Then Nick Howard is the other base. And hit number 2. Just a basic refractor, not numbered. Autograph of Jacob Gatewood. Mr. Jacob Gatewood. Okay. There we go. You're going to have all the top prospects from 2014 soon. Alright, that's 2 of your autos. You got at least 4 more coming. If you hit another hot box, I don't even know. Okay. Gilbert Lara, Isan Diaz, and a refractor, draft class refractor of Nick Birdie, Trey Turner, and Jeff Hoffman. I didn't show that one, wasn't particularly exciting. Alright, so 2 good prospects. I mean, it's only 2 years ago, obviously, so most of these guys aren't going to be developed. Raisel Iglesias, Corey Ray. Was it? Yeah. Not an autograph. Okay, let's see. Casey Gillespie, Tyler Beede, base cards. It is a Schwarber, purple prism, numbered to 149. Kyle Schwarber, the Perp Schnurps, numbered to 149. Let's hope that's an omen. A Schwarber omen. Brandon Downs, Sam Travis. Ooh. Michael Conforto and Aaron Nola inserts, draft class inserts. And I'm going to sleeve this one up now. have already seen it. I don't know if you can see it at the camera angle. Number 2/100 on a red prism, Mr. Jorge Soler. So far we got 3 autos. Jorge Soler, Max Pentecost, red prism autos, both numbered out of 100. And a Jacob Gatewood refractor auto. Pew! He's not awful, no. Kevin Padlo, Jordan Schwartz, Andy Ferguson, Jeremy Rhodes, just a base card refractor, and Justin Twine. Soler had a bomb the other day. I think he's doing pretty well in the season. Jackson Reitz, Jake Jewell. Dude, what the hell? How many autographs do you get? I don't know, because obviously I put all the packs in one pile here, but that's 4 autos pretty quick here. Alex Jackson, Kyle Schwarber, draft class inserts. But here you go. Another autograph. A refractor. Oh, sick. For the Houston Baseball Club. Named after an ex-LA Laker, now a head coach, Derek Fisher. Numero 4. What's he got? More, I'm sure. At least 2 more autos coming. I don't know if you hit another hot box or what. But I feel like every box I break for you is just ridiculous. I mean, the numbers aren't as great this box, but well, I mean, we'll see. Michael Mader, Zach Thompson, Russ Kivett, Brett Austin, just refractor, base card refractor. Isan Diaz, base card. Hey, it's a PC pull, right? Dan Altavilla, Cole Lankford, Miners Gold refractor for Tyler Kolek. Kyle Freeland, Taquan Forbes. Moving. What? What's this one? Drew Van Orden, Joey Pancake, and let's see, last 2 Braxton Davidson, Luke Weaver base cards, and a purple prism numbered to 149, Braxton Davidson. For Atlanta. Jace Fry, Jorge Soler base cards, Jacob Lindgren base, Victor Arano, just a refractor base card, and Monte Harrison base. Nick Torres, Jordan Brink. Is it stuck? Oh, it's just being weird. The rest of the base, Scott Blewett and Castellani. And a purple prism, number 2, 149, Logan Webb. Eric Skoglund, Brett Graves, Dustin Demuth. Oh, dude! Sean Newcomb autograph. Just a refractor. But, and then Justice Sheffield. That's USA. Sean Newcomb. The Angels are complete idiots for trading him away. If you know they did that. Pretty sure. Yeah, never mind on that. Right when you say that. Right when you say, oh yeah, because I totally agree with you. They're definitely not as good as the first boxes you got, which was almost as good as you can do without hitting Schwarbers and all that. I know. Yeah, I know. I was sure you did. You said it before. I get you. But yeah, dude, the Newcomb. You son of a bitch. Want more store credit? I'm thinking about PC and Sean Newcomb. I was gonna buy an auto the other day, but I didn't. Logan Webb, Sam Howard. I don't have any autos, so I don't really have much of them. And now he's on the Braves, so I don't know. It's kind of weird. AJ Reed, draft class insert refractor. Nick Birdie and AJ Reed, draft class inserts. Yeah, and with the Braves, terrible, dude. Simmons is not worth a stud. What's gonna be ace left-handed pitcher? Just ridiculous. But that's the Angels. We sign old people to long-term deals and we trade away young studs. Grant Hodgkin, Skylar Ewing. Damn, you son of a bitch. The numbers aren't as hot, but a refractor autograph of Carlos Rodon. Name on the box, Rodon. Then a Carlos Rodon and Tyler Kolek inserts. That is a Carlos. Yeah, if you let me check the value. If you want more credit for it, I'd be happy to offer it. Carlos Rodon for the Chicago White Sox. Throws really hard. Just control issues. Alright, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 autos. Still have 5 packs. Maybe you did hit a hot box. Again. Jake Reed. Gavin. Alright, this is stupid. Grant Holmes, Brandon Finnegan, fucking base cards. It's 3 autos a box, right? Am I just wrong? I thought it's 3 autos a box. But you just hit a purple prism, Daniel Gossett, refractor, or prism, purple prism, auto. Numbered out at 149. Yeah, I should know you got enough purples in this box. So there's your 7th autograph. Is that, this isn't right, is it? Like, it's crazy. How many hot boxes? I thought hot boxes were super rare. Guess I'm totally wrong about that. Or you're just the luckiest man alive. I know in the box I broke, in the 2 boxes I've done personal, I got 3 each. Nick Wells, Lane Ratliff, Jake Stinnett, Gatwood base, Blue Prism, O'Hearn, number to 199. You seeing this, dude? I'm waiting for your Instagram message. You are the luckiest son of a gun. Probably gonna hit double hot box. Get freaking 8 autos. Okay, Chris Oliver, Daniel Mengden, Austin Boosfield, Wes Rogers, discount double check. Just a base card prism. Aramis Garcia. Alright, 2 packs. Yeah. Or you could just let me get more boxes and you can buy more from me. I'm out right now though. I can always get some tomorrow. 'Tis Saturday. That guy's around. Casey Soltis, Cameron Varga, Blue Prism Brandon Downs, Michael Gettis and something Reed Foley, numbered out of 75, kick-ass looking Blue Prism. Either way works. If you want more boxes, just let me know before tomorrow morning, and I'll go get some from my guy. His name's Dan. I feel weird. I feel like a drug dealer calling him my guy. Get some from Dan. Jay Cozart, Joe Gatto, Jonathan Holder, what the hell? And then Derek Fisher base card. You hit another autograph. What is going on? For your Pittsburgh Pirates, Connor Joe refractor autograph. Yeah, go for it then, if you have a gift card. How the hell did you get a gift card to the Card World? Someone must love you. Yeah, I should check out their 4th of July sales too. I saw that email. Dude, there you go, Connor Joe, refractor autograph. For reals? Okay. That works. Alright, so here's your autos. Yeah, Connor Joe's a baseball name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 autographs. Out of what I do believe is 3 autographs a box. So you hit double hot box? I mean, it doesn't seem possible, really. But the case I got these from must have been the hottest freaking case of all time. Am I the best breaker of all time? It could be that. I mean, maybe I'm selling myself short. Maybe I have the uber luck as a breaker. Alright, I'm gonna go put your base cards away. Shopandbreak.com, everyone, as I stop the record. Thank you. Alright, I'll be right back.